Okay, here we go. Today is Saturday, December the 26th. I'm going to attempt to start the 71 Ford. Sat out last night. It was minus 30 below here. A little bit of a wind. This truck is what you call a survivor. This is all unrestored original paint, original powertrain, everything. The only thing that is probably aftermarket on this truck is the rims, which are off probably a mid-90s Ford F-Series. So we'll give it a whirl here, see how it goes. Door. Pretty frosty. Yeah. Put the old key in her. Three, four. Give her about 4 pumps there, make it rich. Cranking over. Look at that. Tell ya, fired right up. "44-year-old Ford truck, F-Series, tough as nails, reliable. Look at that oil pressure coming right up. Look at that. Turn on the fan. Purring like a kitten. Amazing. It's not plated right now, so if you're not driving it, don't drive it in the springtime. Listen to that 302 engine. It's purring away. Got the new grill for it. We'll find a different bumper. Yeah, she's got the Explorer package, all original paint. Runs like a top. Isn't that something else?